Hello, my name is Cheryl Wilson and I'm an abstract artist, and thank you again for joining my channel. I wanted to share with you, this is just a short, very simple, very spontaneous 9 by 12 painting in acrylics done on watercolor paper. I had some leftover paint from one of my last sessions I did, and I wanted just to quickly do a very loose painting, and this is what resulted, so I thought I'd share with you. And I love this because of the spontaneity of the flowers. So without further ado, join me in painting this cute little yellow vase with 4 roses. So you can see to the side of me, I still have some of my paint still out. It's the golden high flow I use and some of the Lucas that I've been playing with. I'm very new to Lucas paints, but I like them because they're a nice balance between the thicker paints and the high flows. So I'm just drawing a vase, and I'm actually just using a pencil, a colored pencil, to draw it out. Many times I don't do that, but I just thought I would do that, and I'm putting stripes in there, but I end up actually painting the whole thing yellow. But I wanted to just basically let you watch me paint. The green down there is mixtures of a lot of the paints that I already had mixed up. It's the Prussian blue. If you watch the video I did with the 4 canvases with the 2 roses each, this is the leftover paint from that, but the Prussian blue mixed with a Hansa yellow or a bright yellow or like a yellow medium, and then some green gold mixed in and some white. It's just it's really a mixture. So that's what the base is, or the table is, and then I paint the base yellow, and then I just play with the flowers. So turn on your own music if you'd like, and I will just let you watch. And like I said, it's a short video, only like another 8 minutes long. But if you have watercolor paper, you like to do watercolor paper, this may be a painting you may want to try. So enjoy. Okay, so I sped this up twice as fast because basically I'm doing the same thing. And I'm just adding maybe a little bit at the bottom of a shadow for the vase. And then I'm adding in some scratching. And what you notice is afterwards, which I do on a lot of my paintings, is I add my embellishments. I don't always add it when the painting's wet. I don't always see what I want to add right away. So on this particular painting, I added some sgraffito with the white gel pen, and I did not necessarily show it in here. And you can see me putting my name at the bottom, but I end up rubbing it out for whatever reason, and just adding some more color down there. And that's just part of the process of playing with it. I mean, every painting goes through a layering process, goes through a process of thought, things that you see later on, things that you want to add later. I'm thinking about adding some mixed media, some that's actually tissue paper with writing on it, but I decided not to do that. And then later I add the gel pen. So that's kind of the thought process through this. So I hope you enjoyed the vase with the flowers, and thank you for joining me. I really appreciate it.